What was the psychological burden of sumptuary laws? Imagine living in a world where what you wear or eat could define your entire social worth. That was the reality under sumptuary laws, which regulated personal choices based on social rank. These laws weren't just about fashion or food, they created a constant sense of judgment and scrutiny. People often felt anxious because they knew breaking these rules could lead to shame or punishment. The fear of public disgrace was real, and it made everyday decisions stressful. Sumptuary laws made individuals feel like their identity was tied to their outward appearance. If someone wanted to wear more luxurious clothes or indulge in finer foods, they risked being labeled as greedy or immoral. This created a mental burden, especially for those who wanted to climb the social ladder or express themselves freely. The laws reinforced the idea that social status was fixed and visible, leaving little room for personal growth or change. Women faced even more pressure under these laws. Many regulations targeted women's dress, limiting their ability to wear fashionable or revealing clothing. This was rooted in cultural fears about female ambition and morality. Women were often told that modesty was a moral virtue, and any deviation could be seen as a sign of greed or vanity. This created internal conflict, as women struggled between their personal desires and societal expectations. Religious and moral concerns also played a role. Excessive luxury was seen as prideful and sinful, linking material wealth to moral failure. People worried that indulging in luxury could lead to social disorder or even divine punishment. This moral weight added to the mental strain, making people feel guilty or anxious about their consumption. In the context of American history, these laws seem bizarre today, but they once controlled not just behavior but how people saw themselves. The psychological burden was immense, turning everyday choices about clothing and food into sources of stress and shame. These laws didn't just regulate actions, they shaped minds and self-worth, making personal expression a legal and moral challenge.